What's happening, YouTube? Charles in Charge back with another video. And at the National, picked up 2 boxes of the new WWE Select. We will rip one in this video. Let's do 2 separate videos. So we will get right into it. There's a ton of stuff to look for. Let's do it to it. They have new color wheel inserts. Obviously, I'll be looking for the... Seth is in the color wheel. Becky is not. She's in the retail Firestorm. So that'll be interesting to find. 2 autos, 1 memo box. 12 packs, 5 cards per. Looking for the rare silver prism die cuts. Ultra rare color wheels. And then there's everything else you're looking for. So I'll pause, take a look at that. And let's get into it. Set this off to the side. All right, here we go. Stack the packs up. One thing with the select boxes, and you guys know they packs turn every which way. All right, here we go. 2023 Select WWE. We are starting off. George the Animal Steel. Oh, that's cool. Jake the Snake Roberts with Damien. Valhalla. That's premier level. I'll separate all those out after. Alba Fire. On the blue, and I think we got an auto already. Oh, no kidding. No kidding. Michael P.S. Hayes. All right, Alba Fire is 90 out of 249. Michael P.S. Hayes. Fabulous Freebirds. All right, that's cool. That's cool. First ones to use music for their entrance. Badstreet USA. That's pretty cool. I'm not mad at that one. So I was grabbing a top loader here. There we go. Let's get him all set. Oh, and he's numbered, I didn't notice that. Babylon. He's numbered 10 out of 49. That's cool. That's cool. All right. Got Xavier Woods. R-Truth. Alba Fire. I think that's the ringside, but it doesn't say. Angelo Dawkins. And... oh, nice. Thea Hale rookie. The concourse tricolor, I believe. Maybe. That's cool. She's funny as hell. I watch NXT on Tuesdays, and My girlfriend's daughter's usually sitting there chilling, and she'll watch it with me sometimes, and she starts cracking up when Thea comes on. I'm like, yeah, she's insane. All right, Shelton Benjamin. Mr. Perfect. Sensations, Randy Orton. Yokozuna. And Io Sky. Premier level. That sharp looking card. I love Select. There we go, The Rock. The Ultimate Warrior. And we'll skip. That's cool. William Regal, Global Icons. That's cool. Io Sky. And Ulyssa Leon from NXT. Number 73 out of 199. I think she's helping out is it Dragon Lee and Nathan Frazier right now? All right, next. This one feels like it's going to be our relic. Yeah. All right. Got Braun Strowman. Got that rookie Thea Hale. That's cool. Got Tommaso Ciampa. Oh, nice. Bam Bam Bigelow. Biggie. Oh, filler. Okay, okay. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Just a filler. That's cool, though. Could always use those for shipping. So I won't be upset at that. This one kind of feels thick, too, so... All right, this one should be a relic. Miz. Brock Lesnar. Oh, Candice LeRae. Drew McIntyre. And... oh, okay, Sensations. We got another filler. Candice is number 10 out of 49. Okay, another filler. Sensations, Cody. That's a cool looking card. That's a cool card. I have not seen any box openings of this because it just released yesterday while I was at the National. I picked two of them up from Skybox CT. Skybox Connecticut, guy told me. And I went with them because they were the cheapest. They were $180 a box. Everybody else was $200 or a little more. Like even the bigger places were $200. All right, X-Pac. Bam Bam. Gigi Dolan on the silver. Hey, Doodle family. Tony D'Angelo. Hopefully the next tag team champions this Sunday. And Nikki Cross. Nikki Cross on the relic. I like that picture. That's when she first came back out of the crowd, I believe it was. Sparks relic. Take that one. I really don't know what the hell they're doing with her anymore, but All right, so we'll be looking for one more auto. There we go, Kiana James rookie. Like me some Kiana James. The Boogeyman. Hey, Silver Brutus, the Barber Beefcake. That's cool. That's cool. That's a good one. And New The Rock. And Triple H. All right, we got Austin Theory. Roman. Brock Lesnar. That's a cool shot of Lesnar. That's the premier level. Alba Fire Global Icons. Kind of an Alba Fire box. From Scotland. And Drew Gulak. 94 out of 149. He's working with Charlie Dempsey on NXT. Dempsey is William Regal's kid. The crowd will chant Willy Wonka at him. Quite humorous. Omos. Hank Walker rookie. The Undertaker silver. That's cool. Oh, we got another auto. That's cool. Braun Breaker. And oh shit. I'll take that all day. The phenomenal AJ Styles. Hell yes. Hell yes. Number 2 at 25. That's awesome. That's awesome. Love AJ Styles. Absolutely love AJ Styles. Got to meet him before. Couldn't ask for a more humble individual. Really, really nice guy. All right, I'm very happy with this box. That's awesome. All right, last 2 packs. We have Top Dollar. A little work on getting over that top rope there. Randy Orton. Ooh, on the die cuts. Candice LeRae on the die cut. Man, these look cool. Seriously? All right, Global Icon Silver this time. Alba Fire. And Indy Hartwell. That's been an Alba Fire box for insert. And last pack. Eddie. Yokozuna. That's cool. Greg the Hammer Valentine. With that old Intercontinental title. Silver. Batista. And finish off Randy Orton. Getting ready to drop that RKO. Okay, that's the ringside. All right. I'll go back through because I'll be honest, like I said, I haven't watched any box breaks this yet. So, you'd think open and select every year I'd remember, but no. All right, so recap. Just our silvered and numbered. Gulak out of 49. Beefcake Silver. Gigi Silver, happy with that one. Candace out of 49. Bam Bam. Ulyssa Leon out of 199. Alba Fire 249. Inserts. Global Icons Silver. Die Cut. Global Icons Base. And new being The Rock. That's cool. Sensations Cody. Another Global Icon William Regal. Io Sky. And Sensations Orton. Had you on the wrong pile there. Did get the tricolor rookie. Got the Nikki Cross. Sparks Relic. And the 2 autos. 10 out of 49. Michael P.S. Hayes. And definitely the hit of the box. The phenomenal AJ Styles. That's number 2 out of 25. I do have a couple autos of him, but I'm keeping him anyway. That's a sweet card. Alright guys, that is going to be it for box number 1. I have kept your ear for far too long, but sorry about that, but I really enjoy taking the time opening, especially the wrestling stuff. So, that's it for this one, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the product. And that's it. Stay tuned for box number 2. So stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you later.